In the previous episode, we explored Veliko Tarnovo's fortress, tasted traditional food and ended the night with a light and sound show. But our journey here isn't over. In this part, we'll keep wandering through the city, uncover more of its stunning views, and see what else makes this place so unforgettable.
Okay, so it's the second day, and this time we decided to actually have breakfast, not like yesterday. We're making our way towards, what was it called?
Samovodska Charshia.
Samovodska Charshia market. It's a local market. We'll find, hopefully find some breakfast in the first place, and then local artisans, and maybe get a souvenir or two.
We happened to pass by St. Nikolai's church. It wasn't part of our plan, but it was a nice surprise along the way. Finding this church gave us the feeling we felt back in Rome. You're just walking, turning a corner, and suddenly there's another piece of history standing right in front of you. We finally made our way to Samovodska Charshia. Lined with small shops and workshops, it's one of the best places to get a feel for the city's traditional crafts and flavors. We made our way to Samovodska Charshia market, and we stopped. We found a chimney cake place that also sells pastry. I guess you can figure out why we stopped there. We got this thing. It's called stranza. It's a pastry with minced meat and cheese. Let's see how it is. A bit too much bread. But it's good. Overall, it's good. During our walk, we found a place that sells banica, which is a traditional pastry with cheese that they eat for breakfast, together with a drink called boza. I'm really curious to try it because I've heard that you either love it or hate it. It's a sweet fermented drink that looks like this.
Doesn't smell good. It tastes better than it smells, at least. It tastes like sweet liquid bread.
It's like gluten juice.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's at least interesting.
Yes, let's see what this is all about. To me, it actually smells like liquid bread. Okay. Oh. Yeah, it's something. This is actually really good. Yeah. This is not it. I guess this is a drink made specifically for Bulgarians. Our next stop was the Retro Café, a charming little spot perched above the city. From its terrace, the view stretches across Veliko Tarnovo, with rooftops and hills all laid out before us. It was the perfect place to pause, enjoy a cup of coffee and just watch the city wake up around us. The next destination was the Museum of the Revival and Constituent Assembly. Inside, the exhibits bring Bulgaria's history to life, highlighting the national revival and the founding of the modern state. Walking through the museum, you can see the stories of the people, the events, and the culture that shaped Veliko Tarnovo, giving a deeper understanding of how this city became such an important part of the country's past. After the museum, we made our way to Park Mini Bulgaria, an open-air park that brings the country's most famous landmarks to life in miniature form. Walking through the park, it's fascinating to see the intricate details of cathedrals, fortresses, and historic buildings, all recreated with incredible craftsmanship. It gives you a unique perspective on Bulgaria's architecture and history, letting you take in so much of the country's heritage without ever leaving Veliko Tarnovo. It's both fun and educational, and the perfect spot to appreciate the diversity of Bulgaria in one place. We wrapped up the day at Han Hadji Nikoli, a restaurant that feels like stepping straight into history. Lucky for us, it just so happens this is the night of a lunar eclipse. The wooden beams, stone walls and warm light make it feel extremely authentic, and the traditional Bulgarian dishes didn't disappoint, each bite packed with flavor. We were really tired after 2 days full of amazing experiences, and this was the perfect ending. Veliko Tarnovo has been absolutely incredible, from its winding streets and historic fortress to the flavors and sight that make it unforgettable. We never expected this. Every corner felt alive with stories of the past, and every view left us wanting more. But our adventure isn't over yet. The next chapter takes us somewhere new, where the landscape changes and new experiences are waiting just around the corner. See you soon.